Now, to everyone that can hear my voice, I have a question for you. What is violence, and what does that mean to you?
When I say stop, you say violence. Stop! Violence! Stop! Violence! Violence! Violence!
All right, so today we will be hosting our walkout, and this is to raise awareness about massive school shootings.
This is us standing up and saying we are tired of the violence, all of it. Not just gun violence, but just all of the violence. We're tired of it, and we're trying to stand up and say no more, really.
The people united will never be divided. The people united will never be divided.
The participation is high, and I think that's because everyone recognizes that this is an issue that crosses like all kinds of boundaries, race, social class, grade. So it hasn't been hard to promote it, but we've made sure to just invite the student body out. We haven't put stipulations on how the student body can participate or who can participate, and I think that's helped a lot as well.
Nobody should live in fear. And finally, we should never fear going to